Can't put the camera here, the light, it kind of interferes with the light frequency. You see that? See the roll bars? Yeah, kind of going havoc with the. So I'm making up the DB25 connector lead, male, female, and that will connect to the CP750. So many different types they make. These are kind of very micro size, and I thought, well, you know, my regular head wouldn't fit the obviously, because they're very, very tiny. If I focus on that, if the camera would, but it doesn't seem to want to. Maybe because of the light. Maybe if I move the light beam out the way. But anyway, so it's connecting the colour wire and looking at the wiring pin code. The wiring pin code on the CP750, and connecting pin to pin or colour wire to pin. Process it take quite a while, but at least there's no soldering to be done. And just okay, it's pin 9. What's pin 10? Okie dokie, what colour should I use? Let's find which lengths are okay. Okay, I'll use that one to go to pin number 10. I need to get some wire strippers. I've got wire strippers, but they're kind of kaput, so I'll use a pair of scissors. Blue and black. Blue and black here. Yeah, I'll probably buy myself a new pair of wire strippers, and you just put them over the wasset and just click it. It kind of looks like a bit like a T-Rex, like a dinosaur. I call them T-Rex dinosaur clippers, because it looks like the shape of a head of it looks like a Tyrannosaurus Rex. I could have bought a lead that may have connected to the CP, you know. But you got to check whether they're parallel wiring, because some are not. This here I'm doing, it's parallel wiring, so meaning this end here female, even though you know how it looks here this way, you know, the wiring here is all down, mostly this side here, mostly this side, and then this one here, this connector. But if you turn them around and make it like a sandwich, they connect up. Connect up that way, and then turn them around. So it's a very slow process. Anyway, so I'm going to get to it so I don't get distracted with recording.